If you're a senior citizen or know someone who is, then chances are you know how important staying active is for maintaining good health. Doctors recommend regular exercise not only for the body, but also for the mind. And what better way to do this than going for a walk? Walking has numerous health benefits, from improved heart health to better balance control, which is essential in preventing falls among seniors. However, if you haven't been exercising regularly or have recently recovered from an injury or illness, getting back into a walking routine can be daunting. This is especially true if you're self-conscious about your health or physical abilities. Fortunately, there are tips that can help make it easier and more enjoyable to start or continue incorporating walks into your daily routine. With that said, here are 5 tips to revitalize your stroll so you can walk with confidence again. Number 1. Begin with daily walks. It's never too late to start walking, but it is important to take it slow at first. If you haven't exercised regularly for a while, or are recovering from an injury, illness, or surgery, it's best to begin with just daily walks, instead of aiming for longer distances right away. You don't need to exert yourself too much by trying to walk long distances or at a fast pace if your body isn't used to it yet. Start small and work up from there. For example, you might want to start with a walk around the block and then gradually increase the distance over time. It's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard too soon. But even just daily walks can have significant health benefits. So lace up those shoes and get moving. You'll feel better both physically and mentally after a nice stroll. Number 2. Set achievable goals. When starting any new fitness regimen, it's important to set realistic goals that are achievable and that you're motivated to reach. This is especially true when it comes to walking. Walking is great exercise, but like any workout, it can be challenging if you're not used to it. That's why setting small, achievable goals is key to building momentum and staying motivated. For example, you could start by setting a goal to walk for 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week. Once you achieve this goal, you could then try walking for 15 minutes a day, 4 times a week. Another great tip is to set goals that are specific and measurable. Instead of saying, "I want to walk more," say, "I want to walk for 30 minutes every day this week." This will give you a clear target to aim for and help you track your progress. You could also try setting a goal to walk to a place that you enjoy, such as your favorite cafe. This will give you something to look forward to and make the walk more enjoyable. It's also important to be patient and kind to yourself. Don't get discouraged if you miss a day or two, or if you do not reach your goals right away. Just get back on track as soon as you can and keep moving forward. Remember, consistency is key. By setting small, achievable goals and celebrating your successes along the way, you'll be well on your way to making walking a regular part of your routine. Number 3. Wear the right shoes. The right footwear can make all the difference when it comes to enjoying your walks. If you're wearing shoes that are too tight or too loose, it can cause blisters, calluses, or other foot problems that can make walking painful. On the other hand, if you're wearing shoes that are supportive and comfortable, it can make your walks much more enjoyable. When choosing shoes for walking, look for ones that have good arch support and cushioning. This will help to absorb shock and reduce stress on your feet, knees, and back. You may also want to look for shoes that are specifically designed for walking. These shoes often have features such as a rocker bottom, which can help to promote a smooth walking motion. In addition to finding shoes that fit well and provide support, it's also important to wear socks that are made from breathable materials such as cotton or wool. This will help to keep your feet dry and prevent blisters. Finally, if you have any foot problems or concerns, be sure to consult with a podiatrist. They can help you to find shoes that are right for you and your individual needs. With the right footwear, you'll be able to walk comfortably and confidently. Number 4. Warm up before you go for a walk. It's important to warm up your muscles before starting any type of exercise, including walking. This is because warming up helps to increase blood flow to your muscles, which can help you move more freely and reduce stiffness. It can also help to prevent injuries. There are a number of ways to warm up before a walk. You could start with some light stretches, such as reaching for your toes or bending over and touching your knee. You could also march in place or do some jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. Another option is to walk for a few minutes at a slow pace and then speed up to a brisk walk for a minute or two. You can also try walking up a hill or taking a few steps up and down a staircase. It's important to find what works best for you and to listen to your body. If you're feeling stiff, you may need to spend more time warming up. Taking a few moments to warm up before a walk may seem like a small thing, but it can make a big difference in terms of how you feel during and after your workout. Number 5. Join a walking program. There are many different walking programs available for seniors. Some are led by certified instructors who can provide guidance and support. Others are social walks, where you can chat with friends or make new ones. Many communities also offer walking groups that cater to different fitness levels. In addition to providing motivation and support, walking with others can also make the walks more fun and enjoyable. It's also important to find a walking buddy if you don't want to join a group. Having someone to walk with can help you stay accountable and motivated. Walking with a friend can also provide a great opportunity to catch up and connect with each other. Ultimately, the best way to find a walking program is to look for one that fits your needs and interests. There are many different options available, so take some time to explore and find the perfect one for you. You could start by asking your doctor or a local community center if they know of any walking programs in the area. You could also check online for groups that meet in your area. If you're unable to find a walking program, you could consider starting your own. Invite friends, neighbors, and family members to join you on your walks. With the right support system in place, you'll be well on your way to making walking a regular part of your routine. Walking is an excellent form of exercise that can provide numerous health benefits for seniors. However, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase your walking routine to avoid injury or burnout. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can safely and effectively incorporate walking into your daily routine. Remember to start with short walks and gradually increase the distance and frequency. Set achievable goals and reward yourself for reaching them. Wear comfortable shoes and clothing, warm up before each walk, and consider joining a walking program or finding a walking buddy for added motivation and support. Incorporating these tips into your routine can make walking a more enjoyable and effective form of exercise, helping you to improve your physical and mental health.